Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Yes, it is still floating a few more weeks later. Those things are pretty sturdy, at least from this last experience of a balloon. Anyways, it's time for another Days in a Life vlog, so let's get on going. They're the same grade, so I always get 2 boxes. Alright, thank you very much. I'm on my last pair of contact lenses, so time to refill the batch, I guess. Alright. Client just approved the final edit of a project I'm working on, and it's always a good feeling. So I'm gonna wrap this up and then wait for the next one. I guess it's St. Patrick's Day today, March 17th, so don't have any green wardrobe, but I think I'm gonna go treat myself to a green drink. What do you say? I received a free trial for this unlimited coffee thing at a local restaurant chain, so I figured why not give it a try. It was a 3-month free trial, and I like coffee, and I usually have 1 cup a day. It's fine. now. I'm not running the LA Marathon this weekend, but I still gotta get my run in. Now, it's actually been a while since I had a proper run, so I'm really glad this morning I forced myself to run 4 miles just to get back into it. Since my birthday, I've had a couple minor health issues here and there, so luckily now that's hopefully been, healed and taken care of, so now I can get back into the rhythm of actually running outside. There is a couple of races I do want to run this year, especially in the fall, with one particular marathon I hope I get into. Fingers crossed. Send me good vibes, because I really want to run this one. But yeah, felt really great, runner's high and everything, and now that's spring, I could actually run outside more often. Sample chocolates? Why not? I think there's peanuts in it. Remember, it's the first day of spring. It's nice and windy too. IKEA for lunch, but we ended up getting a plant. You never leave empty-handed around here. Alright, I think it is time you say goodbye to the balloon. Changing seasons, time to move forward. Yeah, it's time. A very windy first day of spring. Alrighty friends, I think we'll call it here. Thank you so much for joining me these last few days. I greatly enjoyed your company. And be sure to come back next week as we have another great adventure which may or may not involve snow. And as always, if you do like this video, please do give it that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, as we definitely have more adventures to come, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. I hope you all had a wonderful start to the spring season and are doing well. Let me know in the comments below. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.